Hello everyone, this is Gzilla Gaming. And today we're doing a double fruit explosion madness video. Let's see what we will get, guys. This is about to be epic. So if you've never seen this, if you've never seen us play this one, what you do is you scratch a symbol and then you scratch it down here, and when you get a line, you get the prize. So let's go. Our first fruit is a peach. We got literally two here. Sorry, I just gotta move this to make sure that it can be held down a little bit. So we just scratch these two. We got a blueberry. Oh wow, there's a lot of them. Let me just scratch those really quick. I'm gonna use a different scratching method because this one isn't as efficient as the other one I've been using. Sorry guys, back to the normal recording. We got a star fruit, so let's get all those. I think that's all of them. Oh wait, there's some right here. Next we got a cantaloupe. We got some right here. Yep, I did. Nope, don't scratch the avocado. That's not good. We'll know it's not. Unless we actually get it right here. Nope, we got apples. Let's see, there's not a lot. There's 3 of them. Next, we got banana. Yep, scratching them. There's none there left. We got grapes. 2 grapes right here. Next, we got strawberries. We have 2 strawberries, yep. 2 strawberries there, and there's no more of those. We got kiwis. There's a lot of kiwis. We're doing good progress, though. Pear. There is 2 pears on this whole thing. We got watermelon. Sorry about that. Okay, so what we need is pineapple, cherry for these 2 bottom rows to get a win. Alright, what we need? We got a lemon. That's also good. We need pineapples now for this top row. So hopefully we can get them. We got an orange right here. Sorry about this, guys. Get it right there. And final one, we got avocados. So here. So let me see. So unfortunately, it looks like we did not win. We covered a lot, but this one was not a winner. So that's unfortunate, but like and subscribe, obviously. And I will do part 2 tomorrow, but it'll be in the same video right now. So let's go to that. All right, guys, it's the next day. This is part 2 of this video, and let's see what we start off with. we start off with some blueberries. So we got one right here. It's not being cooperative. There we go. Okay, grab those. Sorry about that, camera. We got all of those, pretty good amount. Next one we got is a lemon, pretty good. They're all together at least, so we can find them easily. Next one is a peach. Do we have any peaches? We have 2 peaches. I think 2, right? Yep, 2. Okay, next one is a orange. 4 oranges up here. Scratch those. Cantaloupe. We got one right here. And one right here as well. Epic. Next we got watermelon. Okay. Let's go here, here, and here. And then these 3 as well. Okay, next one, strawberry. That's a pretty good one, I think. There's that. And, ooh, a 4 cluster on the bottom. That's pretty nice. Okay, next one is grapes. Let's see. Okay, we need pears for the bottom one to win here. Next, we got grapes. Next is a coconut. Coconut's right here. I don't think there's any other ones. Nope. Next one is an avocado. Come on, get something good. Bananas. Scratch those. Kiwis. Scratch those on the top. Don't think there's any other ones. Pineapples right here. And finally, cherries. Let's see if we have a winner here. Cherry. And it looks like, yeah, we did not win anything. We cleared a lot again, though. Wait, here's some avocados up here as well, but it doesn't, it's not going to change anything. But that's the final result. It was not a good chance this time. So we need likes and comments and subscription if you want to see more of these in the future videos. Thank you guys for watching. No winner. See you guys next time. Fruit explosion.
Hello? The number you have dialed has been changed. The new number is